guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get sponsorship for YouTube. First of all, you have to go to browser and type graphinelogic.com. Sorry for wrong pronunciation. I have logged in. You have to log in here. Your ID, email, etc. For login in, you have to click there, and there here will be log out. For you, that will be login. I have logged in. Hi Toxic, you need more followers. Hi Toxic Chili, we require creator to have a minimum of 2000 subscribers, and I have 25 subscribers only, so I cannot do it. But if you have, you can do it. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.